Your body shop is a busy place with cars coming in and going out all day. But is it performing as efficiently as it could? Can you receive accurate information about all the vehicles that are currently in your workshop? Is it easy for you to generate weekly or monthly activity reports? Can you make informed decisions that will help improve your bottom line? Workflow Manager from BASF can address all these concerns with a solution that is tailored to your business needs. Workflow Manager is a cloud-based software application that increases body shop repair transparency and boosts workflow. Its user-friendly dashboard provides professional, real-time digital monitoring and critical insights into your body shop's workflows. Detect and resolve system bottlenecks easily by reprioritizing or reassigning jobs and resources as needed. Connect to Workflow Manager from a variety of devices. The software provides instant feedback on repair time estimation so that everyone in your shop can work together as a team to satisfy your customers' expectations. Workflow Manager provides comprehensive reports on overall and individual performance. Generate efficiency and cost reports anytime. Set individual and group targets based on accurate information. Talk to one of our certified Vision360 consultants today to find out how Workshop Manager can boost efficiency and productivity in your body shop and take it to the next level.